Sup guys, as you can see I got 2 instances of Chrome already loaded up, and I got this one which has got 1, 2 and 3 tabs, and I got this other one right here, right? It has got also 3 tabs. So let's say I wasn't cautious enough and I just came over here and clicked on that, right? Close that. Let's say I also close this other one, alright? So as you've noticed, there's no warning whatsoever for whether I want to close it or not. So let's say I wasn't done with my stuff over the browser and I just closed it accidentally, or I just closed it for whichever reason, and now I want to get them back. So that should not worry you anymore, because there's an easy way that with Chrome you can get those tabs back. And so you just want to come over to this icon right here, right? This is the Chrome icon right here. So right click on that and it's going to produce another pop-up. It's going to produce a pop-up. So on this pop-up, what you want to do, there's a lot of options as you can see, but you want to go over here to this new window, right? Just click on that. When you click on that, Chrome is going to launch again, and what you want, as you can see now, let me expand it so that you can get to see it clearly. As you can see, there are no tabs, no tab there, absolutely no tabs. So what you want to do is come over here where you can see 3 dots like this, right? See those 3 dots on the right side, these ones? Click on that, and then you're gonna get a lot of options. Once again, when you click on it, you're gonna get a lot of options. So what you want is this history right here. Come over to history. Just by hovering onto it, it produces this other window on its left side. So you just come over here, because as you can see, the heading here is recently closed tab, and I got 3 tabs on one instance and 3 tabs on the other instance. As you can remember, I'd already shown you 2 instances of Chrome. That's like when you've opened Chrome once and then you open it again, and then you can, when you can just open Chrome. So I got these 2 instances, and on this one I'm going to click on it. So when you click on it, it's just going to launch those tabs. So I've clicked on it, and as you can see, this one tab right here, just right to where I was. This other tab right here, and when I go over there again and just history, okay, and just click on this other one, so it's going to also launch up these other tabs, this other instance which has got these tabs right here. I got this one, I got this one, and I got that one. As you can see, nothing's lost. All my tabs are right where I want to get them. Let me just pause this, sorry for that. Oh, okay. So you can close them, or you can just continue to work on them as previously. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, and just share it with your friends, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.